London Fire Brigade said a 30-inch, 76.2 centimeters, burst water main caused flooding between Caledonian Road and Twyford Road to the junction of Thornhill Bridge Wharf and Caledonian Road in Islington. 6 fire engines and about 40 firefighters were called to the scene at around 2:45 p.m. Drivers were urged to avoid the area. Dozens of residents were rescued or evacuated in Islington after a burst water main caused serious flooding. The area between Caledonian Road and Twyford Street, up to the intersection of Thornhill Bridge Wharf and Caledonian Road, was the worst affected.
It's going down near my car.
Thames Water emergency crews battled through the night to repair the damaged pipe, temporarily restoring water supply to homes in the N1 postcode area. However, further inspections later revealed a large crack in the main pipe, as well as a significant underground cavity beneath it. As a result, repair work was halted this morning, while engineers conducted a safety assessment at the site, raising fears of further disruption for local residents. Earlier, Islington Council said that several residents had been evacuated from their homes and businesses, and the London Fire Service confirmed that they had carried out rescues.
It's going to be going into the people's areas, no?